Hello guys, welcome back to the Deriv Navigator Academy. In today's video, I'll be looking at the best volatility to trade with a bot, or basically what volatility is the most favorable when it comes to using a bot, okay? So first of all, I'll begin by listing the features or characteristics that makes this volatility favorable for bots, all right? And then I'll be revealing the volatility as we move on. So guys, ensure you watch until the end and ensure you subscribe so that you don't miss out. And guys, classes are ongoing. If you're interested, WhatsApp me. My number is in the description. Now, what is the first feature that makes this volatility that we are about to discuss the most favorable for using a bot? First of all, it has a balanced risk and reward. Okay, this volatility moves steadily, which means it does not move too fast nor too slow, and therefore it is great for bots. So the first characteristic that makes this volatility best for trading bots, as I've said, I'll be revealing it as we move on. So please ensure you stay tuned. The first thing is it has a balanced risk and reward, whereby its movement is steady, all right? It's not spiking all over the place like 100 or less, all right? Whereby it just jumps all over the place, thus making it difficult for a bot, all right? So it moves steadily, not too fast, not too slow. The second characteristic is it has fewer spikes than volatility 75. Now, this volatility has safer and more stable price action, therefore it is more reliable for automation. All right, volatilities like 75 and 100, they have very many spikes, which makes it difficult for a bot to actually do its trades. All right, so this volatility has safer and more stable price action, which makes it very favorable to us. The other characteristic is this volatility works well with indicators. All right, yeah, so for the individuals who use whose bots usually use indicators, it will work very well with RSI, which is relative strength index. It will work very well with Bollinger Bands, MA, moving average, MACD. Trend filters will work better on this volatility than on any other volatility, okay? Because as I've said, its movement is not that much, all right? It moves steadily. It does not move too fast. It does not move too slow. And guys, believe me, once you understand this volatility, you'll be able to make good profit for yourself. The other good thing about this volatility is it has a high bot compatibility, all right? It is perfect for trend bots. So if you have a trend bot, it is perfect for it. It is perfect for reversal bots and signal-based systems. Okay, and the last thing, it is very beginner friendly. So it is easy to test and tweak your bot without blowing your account. All right, so it is a very favorable market, especially if you're just entering into this area. All right, yeah, so the volatility that or the volatility that I'm speaking about is none other than volatility 50, not 51S, 50. All right, I know some of you might be asking, why is it not 51S? Because I've always advocated for the 1S. All right, now, first of all, what is the difference between 50 and 51S? For 50, 1 tick equals to 2 seconds. That is for volatility 50. For 51S, 1 tick is 1 second. The movement for volatility 50 is smoother and more predictable than 51S. So that's making it more suitable for bots. All right. The risk level in volatility 50 is moderate as compared to volatility 51S, which is higher. All right. For volatility 50, you can use standard bots, all right, which is those bots which usually just use any indicator. But for volatility 51S, you have to use high frequency scalping bots, which are very rare to find. But if you want them, as I've said, just WhatsApp me, I'll give you those amazing materials. Now, volatility 50 is recommended for most traders and bot users, but volatility 51S, when it comes to bots, is recommended for advanced bot users only the advanced ones. All right, yeah, so and the profit per trade in volatility 50 is moderate, and in 51S it is small per trade but frequent. Okay, yeah, and this basically 50 is more suitable for us as traders. All right, yeah, so guys, if you're just looking for a good volatility to use your bot in, go and try out volatility 50. Okay, after this video, just go to your demo, try it out with a couple of trades, see how it works. If it works well for you, please use it. If it doesn't, please ask me a question or make a comment pertaining it, and then you can proceed to discuss later. If you want to contact me, comment down in the comment section down below or WhatsApp me and I will help you out. And as I've said, classes are ongoing, so don't be left out. Okay, so guys, go test it out. Volatility 50 is really amazing. You can only trade on volatility 51S if you're using a fast tick-based bot, or you have optimized your bot to 1 second decision making, or you want many small trades per minute. Okay, because as I've said, when it comes to 51S, bots tend to be faster. All right. So final advice for most traders, for most users and strategies, please stick with volatility 50. Okay. It is more stable, accurate for indicators, and better for long-term board success. Okay. Only use volatility 50 unless if you are building a tick scalper bot or a very fast reacting algorithm. But for all traders, please go and try out volatility 50. All right. Yeah, I know this is new form information. Go test it out in demo first. That is what I'm saying. Just test it out, see how it works, and then come to me with a feedback on how it will be. Just come, select 50, and test it out, guys. All right. Yeah. So, and when you do that, guys, at the end of the day, you'll end up improving yourself as a trader. Okay, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please ensure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever we upload a new video. But otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and let us meet in the next one.